Now, your CBS Atlanta Storm Tracker forecast with neighborhood weather.
And after a high of 58 degrees in Atlanta earlier today, we have cooled into the upper 40s across a good portion of metro Atlanta this evening. Atlanta at 49 degrees, Decatur also at 49, Lawrenceville in the upper 40s, and that is also the case in Marietta. We do have some rain on Storm Tracker Live. As a matter of fact, as you go well to the west into portions of Alabama, you can see some pockets of moderate and heavy rain that will eventually make its way into portions of North Georgia later tonight. But we already have some very light showers starting to make it into West Georgia and even western metro Atlanta as we zoom down here into portions of Paulding and Cobb counties. You can see we're talking sprinkles here, so this isn't much, but it is drifting toward the east. So for those of you in Marietta, Kennesaw, along I-75 in Cobb County, you'll see some sprinkles here over the next 15 to 30 minutes. Again, as this activity continues to drift toward the east, eventually making it into the northern portions of Fulton County here over the next 30 minutes to an hour. Again, the heavier rain will start to move in overnight. As a matter of fact, Futurecast will show just that. As we fast forward time, you can see scattered rain moving in. This is 6 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully you don't have to wake up in the morning, but if you do, expect a little bit of rain, so make sure and grab the umbrella. It will continue throughout the afternoon hours, so by lunchtime on Monday, again, just some scattered showers across the region. I do think the rain will start to move out as we head toward the evening hours, maybe a shower or two, but for the most part, I do think Christmas Eve will be dry. So if you want to go outdoors tomorrow night, I think that will be okay as it will be dry, but a second round of rain will move into metro Atlanta, unfortunately, as we head toward Christmas. Now, for the first part of Christmas, you'll be okay. So Christmas morning will be dry. This is 11 o'clock on Christmas morning, but notice the shower southwest of Atlanta and watch how this activity just moves into metro Atlanta here throughout the afternoon. So by 3 o'clock on Christmas Day, the rain will be back into the region and it will continue Christmas Day and into Christmas night. As a matter of fact, this is the time where I think we could see an isolated storm or two, which is something we'll have to watch for you very carefully. But notice that as we head toward Wednesday morning, this is the back edge of the rain. And once we get to about 4 or 5 o'clock Wednesday, it'll all be over and we will start to dry things out. So in terms of your weather threats for tomorrow, I'm just forecasting rain. No storms in your forecast for Monday. But as we head toward Christmas Day, particularly Christmas night, I do think that we could see an isolated storm or two. So your weather threats for Christmas Day will call for a slight chance of severe thunderstorms. And by severe storms, I mean that we could see some strong winds. Again, this is Christmas night and maybe even an isolated tornado. In terms of where that could be, I think it'll be from Atlanta southwestward. A little bit more moisture as you head further south of Atlanta, which is why this is our greatest severe weather area. But this is something that will probably be redrawn a couple of times here over the next 24 hours. So again, make sure and keep up to date with CBS Atlanta and CBSAtlanta.com for a continued threat of severe thunderstorms for Christmas night and early on Wednesday morning. After the rain moves out Wednesday, we will see temperatures drop again. So it's really cold to start the weekend. We warm up a little bit as we head toward Tuesday, and then we go back down into the 40s by Thursday, but we do dry things out for the end of the week. So if you're looking for some dry days next week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is looking good. But Katie, as we head toward the next weekend, the last weekend of 2012, we'll bring the rain back into the forecast as there is at least a 40% chance of rain on Saturday. So your forecast by the numbers, it's not going to be that great. We'll be dry on Sunday, but the temperatures go back down. So I'll give both days for next weekend a 5.